I would probably say I used to be a person that didn't care too much about laundry. But now that I do cloth diapers, I've become very passionate about it. I went on to the cloth diaper Facebook group that I'm in. I looked to see what other people were recommending for washing machines. The thing that I kept seeing people post was Speed Queen, Speed Queen, Speed Queen. And then I discovered that Speed Queen changed the way they're making their washing machines. So I stayed up until 1 o'clock in the morning watching YouTube videos of washing machines. Kept watching between 2 different videos, the Speed Queen and another brand, and he said, let's just stick out with the order. The Speed Queen seems very quiet, so we'll give it a try. I've never been so excited to do a load of diaper laundry. Every time I bring out a load of cloth diapers, I smell them to make sure they don't stink. And every load I smell and they kept coming out clean. Smell clean. So when I take my kid into daycare, the teachers have commented on how clean the diapers are and that I bring them back clean every time. And she even commented that she would have done cloth diapers if she knew she could get them that clean. So the features I like with the washing machine is the quick wash cycles. It's also gentle on the clothes. Going back to watching those videos late at night, we kept coming back to, well, of course you're not gonna get a stain out if you don't put the right detergent in or if you don't do the right pre-treatment. I want everyone to love the Speed Queen as much as I do. And when I see anything negative, I always comment on how it can clean poopy and pee diapers. And if it can do that, it can clean most anything.